So we have 2 shiny pennies, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is going to be our control penny. So we're going to put this one right here. They both came out of our salt and vinegar solution where we cleaned some pennies.
Wiggle, wiggle.
So this is our control penny. And this, friends, is going to be our experiment penny, right?
Yes.
So what we're supposed to do is, well, I don't know where the salt went. Gia, oh, there it goes.
Sea salt. No, you messed it up.
We're gonna take the salt.
Oh. What's wrong?
Nothing. And put it on top of the penny.
Ooh.
And then I think we're supposed to leave it, and then I think tomorrow we're supposed to pour vinegar on it and see what happens.
Let's try pouring vinegar on it tonight.
Well, we did this.
No, let's try
No, not right this second. We're gonna see if this one clean. Ah! Is this one gonna clean or dirty?
Dirty.
This is
In the here.
clean.
All right, check back with. Oh, look how clean it's already getting.
You're not.
That's pretty cool, friends.
Pretty cool.
Blah, blah.
All right, well, check back with us.
Bye.
Penny experiment.